Hello gurus, and welcome to another episode. Bitcoin is pumping, which is beautiful. I bought the exact bottom at 28,500 if you followed my previous video, which is nice. I'm going to show you my trades. I'm going to show you what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin. I'm going to show you some stuff about the market. I'm going to show you some updates on Magiccraft, the play to earn game that's going to be revolutionary. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. This is the view from my balcony in Dubai. My apartment is here. So I love showing this view of the Burj in Dubai because it looks like, if anyone watched Stargate Atlantis, it literally looks like Stargate Atlantis. So beautiful, glowing it's like very dusty today, so it's like super glowy. This is Dubai, that's the Burj Khalifa, so you're looking at the main center point. Amazing city, I love, one of my favorite cities, and this is where I actually live. Hit the subscribe button, let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin, and the market is having a big bounce back right now. The stock market and the crypto markets, which is beautiful. You can see here, Bitcoin is up 10%, the stock engine up 8%, Palantir up, BNB up 6.7%, which is good because I have around $100,000 of it. Bitcoin having a big pumping up, 5.48%, bouncing off that exact. If you followed my videos, this is why technical analysis is so amazing. If you've been following my videos, I was talking about that we're trending between this blue channel for the last 1 week. I've been talking about this blue channel, and we exactly bounced off the bottom, and my trade opened on Bitcoin there. Exactly at that blue trend line. My trade just a little bit above it opened earlier today, which is awesome. Why this is good is, one, we're making a big W kind of formation here, so the target will be the upper end of the trend line, and with this W formation we have a good chance to break through it. If we can break through 31,000, the next major resistance is at 34,000. So let's see as it progresses, but until this channel breaks, we assume it just bounces between the channel. Until the channel breaks to either direction, we assume that once we get to 31,300, we close our trades, then it comes back to 28,000. That's the channel it's in. Volume is increasing right now. Squeeze mob going to the green side. Stochastic is overbought in the short term, so we could be pulling back around now for the short term but we threw a major support here. We've got a big support at 30,000, so even if it pulls back, it will have a big bounce off this 30,000. Stochastic coming down. RSI is overbought, also heading down. Squeeze mob is still going to the green side, so there's actually more on this run. On the 4 hourly, this is just getting started. Stochastic is heading up, RSI is heading up with more to go, making higher lows. Squeeze mob is just beginning to go to the green side, so if there is a pullback, it'll be short term. We just had a big pump through the EMA ribbons. Let's see if it can hold it on the 4 hourly on the EMA ribbons. Crypto Guru bot still showing a sell. It hasn't flipped to a buy yet. Bitcoin indicator bot called it perfectly on the buy from the bottom, so did I. So the target will be 31,000. What I think is going to happen on the hourly, I'm going to show you my trades and then what I think is going to happen. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video on your phone in the description, pin comment, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's get thousands of likes. The more you hit this thumbs up button, guys, and ladies, the more the YouTube algorithm will push my video. Hit the subscribe channel, join 74,000 subscribers, click the join button to follow my live trades in cryptos and stocks live as I make them. And Bitcoin, if you trade Bitcoin on Bybit, this link down below, you get a $4,600 sign up bonuses when you deposit Bitcoin. On Femex you get 4,100. I mainly use Bybit, and you get that again, you get $4,600 worth of sign up bonuses down below. When you go to description, pin comment, you click that link, sign up to Bybit, it will give you this trading software. I made around, since the previous video about 4 hours ago, I've made $3,300 on this account, or $4,000 in the last 4 hours, which is beautiful. I've got BUSD, I bought BIT, I've got $43,000 of BIT. I bought a lot of CRV. So CRV had a massive drop, 20% drop on someone sold a lot of CRV. And then I bought a bunch of it in my live trade. So if you followed my live trades, I bought CRV on that drop, and that's already bounced back a lot. I've got one Bitcoin in here up 4.4%. I had a Bitcoin trade, a buy order, also on Bitcoin, my trades now, which were in the negative earlier today, now up $704, 17%. It's a $4,000 trade with 5x leverage, so $20,000 trade, up $700 on this trade of Bitcoin, which is beautiful. And again, if you haven't opened a trade, where I would open a trade now on Bybit is I'd wait for a pullback to this support 30,000, then a bounce towards the 31,000. So I'd actually make a small long here, but from 30,000, exactly 30,000, my stop loss I would put below these supports. So I put it just below these support area here, and the take profit up here at 31,000. So my stop loss will be at, I'll risk $1,000 to make $1,330 of profits. My trade would open at $30,000. The stop loss would be at 28,900 and the take profit would be at 31,300. A very small trade that I would be taking on Bitcoin over on Bybit, but I'm already in that long with the $20,000 trade, which is beautiful. Those are my trades. Also on Binance, I made a bunch of money. I think earlier today I had $400,000 in this account. Now it's at $407,500. So I made $7,500 today, which is beautiful. I bought BNB, which is up quite a lot. Up 4.9%. I bought $80,000. Now it's $96,000. I've got 3 Bitcoin in here, which is up quite a bit, which is beautiful. That's the main holdings. And I had another buy order at Bitcoin at 28,584, but it just missed it. This was an order I set a few days ago, and Bitcoin came down to 28,636. So it missed it by about $80. Unfortunately, would have added another Bitcoin to this big pump, which is beautiful. But this is looking good for Bitcoin. If we can break through here, this is good news. Break through 31,000, that will be a W formation coming to that. Normally, again, this is where you would find that resistance, but if we can create this W and break through, that would be good news for Bitcoin. And I do expect that was the bottom at 20, as I've been saying, I think it's the bottom at 26,500, which is beautiful. Also, I want to show you some cool stuff. This is the Magiccraft team working full-time. We've got 100 people working on Magiccraft. These are some of the team members. Daiki is our smart contract developer, Mateusz, our COO, Sandra, our KOL manager, Alessandro, HR, Nikita, our QA engineer, me in the chat, Mario, our VC, seed investor, Muro, our smart contract developer, Roman, our CTO. For some reason, there is an Easter egg that they're going to announce on Easter egg that they're announcing on Twitter. So make sure you follow that to win that prize. This is a UI design from Magiccraft. And it's so cool seeing if you've been following the project, Magiccraft, I'll give you a summary, it's a play to earn game. Our idea is to build a World of Warcraft of crypto. So instead of these shitty play to earn games, we want to make the best play to earn game, a massive multiplayer online RPG that's incorporating play to earn technology. So the gold inside the game, the weapons, the characters inside the game is your real assets that you own in your wallet. MCRT is the ticker. We're live. It's a publicly traded crypto. It's on the markets, on centralized exchanges, etc. The link is down below if you want to get involved. And if you've been following the project, we went from concept designs, 2D drawings, 3D characters, and now you're seeing these characters come to life in the game. And we're going to have a lot more of these because the MVP is coming up. So we're going to have a lot more of these amazing designs coming that I'll be showcasing in my videos, and on Twitter they'll be showcasing it. Please tell me your life story, how you began, how you learn everything. This video has gone too long, so I'll say it in the next video. I've been trading for 20 years. There's an NFT. There's the NFT collection of Magiccraft that is also now live. It's publicly minting right now. And in one of the NFTs, there's a Tesla hidden inside one of the NFTs. Go to Magiccraft.io, you have to buy and mint one of the NFTs. And when the public reveal happens, 48 hours after the public sale ends, they will reveal the NFTs, and each person will reveal which character they got, whether the mage, the archer, the warrior, and the rarity levels of the NFTs. Magiccraft.io, and in one of the NFTs is a Tesla hidden inside the NFT, which is exciting. Thank you all for watching. Those are my thoughts on Bitcoin. Hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.